Hello all, this is Bishwadeep and welcome to day 14 of my 100-day AI journey. So let me tell you today what I have built, and it's something really an useful tool, or you can say an useful app for the students who are trying to go for the MS, MTech, PhD where they need to submit their SOP. So for the SOP that every student wants to build, they need to consult any consultant with 3,000 or 8,000 rupees on monthly basis. Then they need to correct it or modify it according to their needs and according to the university requirements also. So what I have done, I have built one AI SOP writer where you can build multiple SOPs. Say you can build three SOPs at a time within 60 seconds. Whenever you put your all details over here, you can it will automatically build those SOPs in those 60 seconds. And after that, if there are any mistakes and if there are any tips that is required to to enhance your SOP, and you can also justify your scores also, that for some universities, say there are some 10 10 criterias and you have fulfilled till 6 criterias, but you need to fill up those 4 criterias also. At that moment, this SOP writer will help you to find it suitable to make it 10 out of 10 SOP uh, to get your admission in those your dream college or universities. So for that reason, I have built this, and I find it I like maybe 7 to 8 years back when I was in also in college, I used to find some tool or the other that where I can build my own SOP, because I need to apply to multiple colleges or universities at a single time, right? So at that moment, it was really difficult for me that how can I get my SOP tailored to those university requirements. So that aspect caught my attention, that why not create this SOP writer and share it with among the students so they can use it, and they can use it multiple times. See, the word limit for SOP is 500 words, 800 words to up to 1500 words. So it totally depends that how you want to project yourself in front of the universities and how you can get selected and be the best, and also to get the scholarships from the universities. So let me show, or let me give you a walkthrough that how what is this SOP writer, and how you can use it, and let's see. Okay, so let me start with this. This is the interface whenever you will be landing. I'll be sharing the link below. So there you can go and check the link, and you can use those. I've given the steps also. Fine. So here, this is the interface whenever you are going to land into this SOP writer. So there are 5 steps: program, background, experience, goals, and generate. Okay, program. So what type of program details you are going to go for it? MTech, MBA, PhD. So whatever you can provide your if nothing program type is there, you can provide this as an other. Okay. So let me show you that how you can also access this SOP writer. So if I want to go for MS MTech, fine. I want to study, say, computer science. Okay, before that, let me tell you. Before that, there is an option over here. Say you call settings, the admin password. Uh, I'll show you at later point of time. Okay, or else everyone will be using it. uh, I'll just show you. Okay. Okay. So already I have added those API keys details, so you don't need to do anything. You just click on this. I'll give you the password later on with the user IDs. So whenever you are trying to go for it, you just type your password and you can enter into this SOP writer. Okay. Now say Program details, you go for this program type MSM Tech, then say you want to study computer science. Okay, computer science. Specialization, if any, say you want to go for this AIML. Okay, AIML. Target university, say MIT University. I know all of you have heard about this MIT, right? It was a dream college of mine also when I was in the universities or while I was doing college, and hopefully everyone has that one dream to go into this MIT. Fine. So maybe I hope with this SOP you can go to this MIT. So target country, go for the USA as MIT is in USA, Massachusetts. Okay, Massachusetts. So I'll go for the word limit of say 800 words. Fine. Anything specific this university looks for? Uh, I want more focused details on AI. So you just give your specific notes, uh, if any, if the university is looking for anything specific. So that you need to tailor it out by checking the criteria or the eligibility in their admissions links or whatever they provide. Fine. Now click on continue. After that, your it will ask for your academic background. Now find write the bachelor's degree. Say I was in bio. Find biotech. So university college, I was in NIT. Graduation, say to 16. GPA, it was 8.5. Academic achievements, I was having some academic achievements, but what to write? Let me write was good in bioinformatics and secured the secured the first prize from Novartis based on some uh, competition. Okay, you try to put your best achievements or the awards, whatever you got, so you can put it over here, and the relevant coursework, say relevant coursework. I did I did some I did some what coursework. I did some dissertation on algae algae project. Okay, academic projects or thesis. Yeah, and also done technical analysis through Python. Fine, let me do the continue. Experience, say I was in a role, maybe AI engineer. Key work achievements, I have processed an AI model which have reduced the workflow of my teammates. If you don't have any work experience, it's fine. Say not applicable. Research experience, had one patent paper. Internships, say interned in one of biopharma companies. Skills relevant to this program, AI agents, AI automation. You just write, I'm just writing for just for samples. You can extracurricular was a NCC leader. It's long back, yes, but I was an NCC leader. Why this specific program? This curriculum will enhance my capabilities to tackle all difficult problems. You just write it. Why this specific university? It's the biggest. It's my. Just write. It's my dream college. Short-term career goals. Mm, what can it be? To start my own company. Long-term career vision. To build models that help government. Fine. The gap, what is this missing in program files? Maybe experience. Anything you want to address: gaps, low grades, career switch. Gaps, 2 years in a row. Just write it, okay? Now it will be ask your tone preference: professional, storytelling, research focused, or entrepreneurship. Fine. Now say if I want to keep it professional, click on continue. Fine. See, it's give you a preview of this MSc in Computer Science, BTech 800 word, professional and confident. Three full SOP versions with different tones, admissions tips specific to your programs, one click copy for each versions. So that's how it will give you the preview that once you what you can expect from this preview. So generate my SOP. See, generating three versions usually take 15 to 30 seconds. So see, it's not even 5 seconds that it has generated according to your particular needs. See, with a proven track record of leveraging artificial intelligence to drive process efficiencies, a notable achievement being the development of an AI model that reduced workflow for teammates by 30%. The pursuit of a master's in computer science with a focus of AI ML or MIT represents the next logical step in a career marked by innovation and problem solving. So see, I've got the achievement from the Novartis. The Novartis Prize for Excellence in Bioinformatics awarded in 2016 was an early testament to the ability to excel in interdisciplinary fields, combining biotechnology and computational methods to derive insights. This foundation, built during the undergrad years at NIT, where a dissertation on an algae project and technical analysis through Python further honed skills, has been consistently expanded upon. See, that is being tailored SOP as per your needs. I hope that you got a clear idea that what it can solve the biggest issue currently going on, right? That to build an SOP. So see, it's a professional, right? Go for the storytelling. Sitting in the Novartis sponsored competition, surrounded by the best minds in bioinformatics from across the country, I still remember the rush of adrenaline as our team was announced as the winner. It was 2015 and I was a student at NIT, but that moment sparked a fire within me to explore the endless possibilities of data analysis and machine learning. So that is how it's being provided in the storytelling version. Go for the research focus. The confluence of artificial intelligence and biotechnology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach complex problems, and the recent breakthroughs in AI powered bioinformatics have only reinforced this notion. Got it. So these are 800 words, highly focused, or you can say highly focused generated SOPs as per your needs. The admission, here is the admission in intelligence, the profile strength, the red flags, and the interview preps. So it will give you the overall criterias, the negative points or the good points. So it will give you the overall direction of it. And lastly, the quality score. See, that is the quality score that we'll be expecting from all of these items. So as per you create these programs and the backgrounds, it will give you the overall quality score. Fine. So that is the walkthrough of this SOP writer. You can create multiple times this SOP writes or the regenerate this SOPs, and after that you can use all of this in your university programs. So that's all about day 14. Thank you.